Yeah, good evening. It was a wonderful experience yesterday. I had some specific objectives. I'm not looking forward to very hi-fi contents, but I can understand that it would have been a wonderful journey for you for the last 3 years. And it is easier to understand from a person who has gone through those hardships, shares the wisdom in a very practical way, the way it is easier for you to pick up. And that's the reason I'm here. So far, I'm literally having value additions. And I look forward to have a wonderful session today and tomorrow.
Awesome. Welcome on board, Shubhro. Thank you so much for sharing. So, which course have you decided to create? What is it that you want to do?
In fact, I'm into financial services. I had been in banking for about 20 years, 15 years, yeah, about 15, 16 years. So now in my profession for the last 5 years, I think that anything which has got to do with knowledge, you got to reach out to the optimum number of people or as many people as you can. So this is where I was finding a limitation. It was not being scalable, as you said very correctly yesterday. So I'm looking at scalability somewhere I can convert these knowledge capsules to reach seamlessly to my target audience.
Yeah.
And that is exactly what I'm looking at.
Great. Welcome on board. It's great to have you with us this week. And thank you for choosing me as your mentor, guide, and whoever for this week.
Thank you. Thank you.
And I'll make sure that I give the most of your time that you spent with me here. I'll empower you with powerful insights, hacks, wisdoms, tips, techniques, give direction to whatever you are doing so it fast forwards your progress.
That would really be wonderful.
Awesome. Welcome on board. So anyone else would like to share how was your yesterday's session for you? What did you learn and what are you doing at present? So a couple of minutes and then we'll get started. Thank you, Karuna ji and Shubha and Vandana and who else we have. You have shared your detailed challenges. I looked at it, but because it just came in the last minute for some of them, I couldn't respond. But I'll walk through all of them. I will walk through the challenges. So let me give a quick recap of what we have covered so far. So I'm just going to mute all of you. I'll take the permissions to allow you to speak so that the session goes undisturbed. Okay, all right. I'm just going to mute. Just give me a moment. Yeah. Wait, I'm just going to allow you to unmute. You can unmute yourself later when I ask. All right. So thank you, everyone, for showing up today. So how many of you are still interested to learn how to digitalize, monetize, and market your knowledge? How many of you still interested? Type in the chat box, interested? Okay. Or how many of you have already given up? Already given up, right? So Vandana is interested. Thank you so much. Shubhro is very keen. Awesome. Shiba is also very much interested. Great, guys. Thank you for being action takers and thank you for showing interest in your own growth. Okay, so because I've been interacting with many people over the past and every day the motivation, the participation, the assignments, everything comes down. So anyways, I look forward to still serving all of you so that maybe you have some other challenges, commitments at this point in time. I totally understand that. All I want to do is set the right direction for you. So let me give you a quick recap of what we did yesterday. So we looked at the 3 stages of knowledge business, which is first stage is digitalization, which is in your control. Then we have monetization. So I'm going to be covering that today. And there are many strategies for monetization I have. I'll be covering 3 strategies today. One is building your influence and more importantly, the market potential and then lead generation organically, right? So these are monetization strategies, though even one more I will cover, which is getting skilled. Getting skilled. How will you monetize? right? So it is very important to get skilled, right? So far in our lives, right? How many years of your life have you invested to be able to earn something, right? 12 years of schooling to KG2, 14 years of schooling, 4 years of graduation, 2 years of post graduation. So 14 plus 6, 20. And if you are also PhD, whatever, at least 20 years of your life you have invested so that you can earn a living, right? And also look at the monetary investment. And now, in our timelines, the monetary investment were we also had the opportunity of free education or subsidized education. But look at today's era. How much are you spending in the education of your children? So one of my participant is a dentist. Okay, her name is also Vandana, Dr. Vandana. She was sharing that she is going to be creating program on Plan B for dental students. Now, the students have actually spent over 15 lakhs a year, okay, or 15 lakhs for full BDS, depending upon which institute they are getting into, government or private, right? So let us assume overall they have spent 15 lakhs to be able to earn their profession, and there are no employment opportunities there. 15 lakhs gone, no employment opportunities. So what to do? But 15 lakh is already gone, right? So if you invest 15 lakhs in your business, or if their parents have invested 15 lakhs in some mutual fund stock market, they would have got some gains and they would have opened their own business. Setting up their clinic itself is another 15 to 20 lakhs cost, 30 lakhs minimum, with the right equipments, everything, right? So much investment goes in. And when will they recover that investment? After 4 years, 5 years, 10 years of their practice, depending upon how their practice is going. Similarly, right, if you have invested in your education for 20 years, how much money you have put in your education, and are you able to get the ROI within the first 5 years? Is your annual salary in the beginning as a fresher matching up to how much you have invested in your education? So the point here is, it is very, very important, extremely important, that you orient yourself to investing at the right place. Right now, if you want to start your business, you have to make investments. Any business that you invest in requires at least 3 years of ROI, 2 years of ROI, 5 years of ROI, depending upon the nature of the business. So that brings me to the recap of yesterday's program, when we look at different types of businesses based on investment. High capex, high opex. Example, airline. High capex, low opex. What is the example of that business? Gym, right? Gym. And low capex but high opex, which is software consulting businesses. Consulting businesses, initial setup cost is low, but operational expenses are very high. Then we have low capex and low opex. And knowledge business fits where? Low capex, low opex, right? Then we also looked at different types of businesses based on the sales, high volume and margin. So top line and bottom line, right? So high volume, high margins. What are the products, high volume, high margins? Coke, Apple, Microsoft, right? Software products, and these, the cost of manufacturing is Coke, right? All these products. Then high volume but low margins, FMCG products. Then we had low volume but high margins, luxury products, Gucci, Lamborghini, Mercedes, low volume but high margins. And then we had low volume and low margins, which is self-sacrificing freelancers. There is no volume also, there are no margins also, because you don't know how to price, you don't know how to ask for money, and you keep doing work, all the hard work, and people keep squeezing you. So you are still struggling financially, though you are highly talented and skilled, right? So this is what we looked at yesterday. Then we also looked at the 4 stages of digitalization. First stage is purpose. Unless you have clarity on what is it that you want to contribute in this world with your products and services, which is a higher purpose beyond you, because when you have a higher purpose beyond you, so when you have a higher purpose beyond you, automatically you get benefited. But you should know the language of the marketing world, the language of the business world. Okay, because currently you're speaking only the language of the heart. But along with the language of the heart, you need to understand the language of transaction. And that is possible only when you know how to value yourself, how to communicate the value you bring with your products and services in the marketplace. Because that value communication is very important, right? So in purpose, knowing what's your mission, what is it that you want to do in this world, what is the change you want to see in this world with your specific offerings, vision. Then your life is vibrating on certain values, because your vibes attract your tribe. Look at your life will be described in some 4 or 5 powerful words. When I look at my life, growth, as giving, as independence, as integrity, okay, and inclusiveness. That is what my entire life can be described in this 5 words. Okay, so your life is also vibrating on certain values. Look at that, because when you have this congruence of whatever I just spoke, thoughts, feeling, action, words, when you have clarity on what is this higher purpose that you have come for here, and how are you able to, the doing of that higher purpose comes from your mission, your products and services. That's where, when you have clarity of purpose, your business clarity emerges from there. So clarity comes from knowing your vision, values, your revenue goals. What is it that you want out of doing all this? Okay, or your number goals. I want to touch 1,000 lives. I want to touch 10,000 lives. I want to touch 1 million lives. I want to have 3 lakhs per month. I want to have 10 lakhs per month. I want to make 1 crore per annum. Define what you want, purpose. All these will come in. Then the preparation stage. Now, how do you know that what expertise you have is solving a problem in the market, and what is the problem it is solving? So that brings us to the 7 P's of knowing, which is actually preparation stage, that winning before you begin, win before you begin, right? So what is the problem you are solving? Before that, what are you passionate about? What is the problem you are solving? Whom are you solving this problem for? What is the pain behind that problem? Is there a potential for the product or services that you have in the market? And is it a low potential, medium potential, or high potential? Are people willing to pay you money for that? And how much are they willing to pay you for that? And how will you get pleasure from this, not only for yourself, but for whom you are serving? That means, what are the gains you are going to give to the target audience for whom you are selling these products or services, or creating your knowledge products, which is digital courses, converting your expertise and experience into digital products, into digital assets, right? What is the gain they are going to get? What is the transformation you will give them? Because people are buying their future with you. They are not buying your features. I am so and so certified. I have done XYZ graduation. I am a doctorate in da 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 da. I played senior roles here and there. They are features, your features. Customer will buy your features only when they have decided to buy something from you. So people buy you first before they buy your products or services. And this is the power of personal brand. because once they trust you, they have bought you, they will buy your products and services because you're solving a problem for them. But what will they buy? They will buy the outcomes they will get. They are going to buy the outcomes you will give them. So it is very important to know what are the outcomes you will give them? How will they gain? Your sales, this is a sales strategy. And this is also a monetization strategy. Knowing that how will you benefit your clients. For example, in my 3-day class, what is it that you're going to gain? Right? You will learn what kind of courses to create so that you will get clarity. You are getting clarity on the entire your own business. You will learn how to communicate the value of your business. You will learn some salesmanship skills. You will learn some new age digital systems and tools so that you don't waste your money experimenting and learning and going through this learning curve, which is not only making you lose your edge in the market, you are losing time as well as money and direction. This is the age of information overwhelm. So you're getting direction, that focus all your time, energy, resources in that direction, right? So what is the gain that your customers are going to get, because they will buy the outcome you are going to give them. Now, how will you give and guarantee this outcome to anyone who comes under your offerings? For that, you need to operate like a world-class entrepreneur. You need to have a lot of entrepreneurial skills. You need to convert your solution into a system of transformation, a system of transformation. That is my GPS system. G for gain, the outcomes and benefits that you will give to your target audience. P for pain. What is your product solving in the market? What pain is it addressing? And S stands for system. Your solution converted into solution, which is step-by-step, structured, systematic, sequential, and scientific. A 6S system. Okay, step-by-step, structured, sequential, scientific. Okay, so that you can guarantee transformation to everyone who comes, all your participants or whoever is your target, whoever is your customer. 1 second, guys. So that is the preparation stage. The GPS system is the preparation stage. Then we came to the publish. Now, once you know which course you have, what is your product? It could be a physical product, it could be your service, or it could be your knowledge product. Okay, whatever your product, you have to have a digital representation of that product, which is a digital product. Digital representation for knowledge givers, it is courses, videos, podcast, articles, blog posts, PDF, ebook, templates, assessments, whatever. For non-physical, for the physical products, if you are selling water bottles or hotel or baker or cake, you need to have a digital representation of your products or services, right? Then it's the time to publish it. Where? On that online world, which is growing faster than the digital world. There are two worlds right now. Do you agree there are two worlds? This real world, where we have a home, real estate, and then we have a digital estate, that virtual world, which is growing so faster than the real world. And you know how much money how much money is required to buy a site? In the real world, to buy a site, minimum, anywhere, minimum 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs. That is, I'm just talking, but in tier 1 cities, CBD area, commercial areas, a 30-40 site is coming around 50 lakhs to 1 crore. You need to invest money, but in the digital estate, tell me how much money have you spent to create your YouTube channel, to create your Facebook account, to use WhatsApp, to use Amazon? How much money have you spent to create your account or build your digital estate there? Especially Twitter account, LinkedIn account, where you're putting your profile, nothing. So that digital estate is almost free. You can claim as much digital estate as you want. So that it's time to occupy the digital estate. It's time to have an office address, home address there, which is your website, which I don't like to call website. We will call it online office. That's your online office address. Okay. So I'll come to that. That is tomorrow. The 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and the 5 pillars that matter for your growth, which is digital marketing. 5 pillars of digital marketing. I'm going to cover that tomorrow. But it is so important to publish yourself in that virtual world. सारा शहर मुझे लायन के नाम से जानता है. अरे जानता होगा, उधर कोई नहीं जानता है आपको वर्चुअल वर्ल्ड में. Nobody knows you there, you are a nobody. Oh, you are a nobody. If you don't have your presence there, you are a nobody. And we are seeing that now. Right? Deeply impacted businesses, everything disrupted. Is that a problem? Or is it an opportunity? This is an opportunity to shift gears. This is an opportunity to get skilled. Right? So publish and then promote. Everybody is selling something, an idea, a thought, a product, a service, a mother to a child, husband to a wife, wife to a husband. We are selling our idea, thoughts, whatever. Every time we are just simply promoting. So toot your own horn. Learn how to promote yourself, not directly, subtly. Okay. So these are this is you, everyone needs to have the salesmanship skill. Now you need to have the salesmanship skill that is needed in the online world. Okay, so what this is the digitalization stage. Purpose, know your purpose to get personal clarity or unique positioning in the marketplace. Preparation, GPS, so that when before you begin whatever product you are creating, look at all the things, pain, pleasure, potential, very important. Then publish it on the online virtual world in the form of website, YouTube channel, blog, post, podcast, and then promote it. That keep talking about your products, not directly, which is new age salesmanship. Subtly, you are creating an interest in your product and offering, and it needs a strategy. And that is where building your influence is a monetization strategy, which I will cover. But before that, let's look at the market potential, right? Very important. Whatever you want to create, what's the market potential for that? Right? So I will hand it over to Ankur because I'm the number guy. He's my husband, life partner, business partner, my first guru. I learned numbers from him. So he's around. So I want him to present the market potential to you guys because a lot of mindset shifts he has given me in my life. Whatever I do today is just because of this person in my life who totally changed the direction of my life. Simply changed the direction of my life. Okay, so Ankur, over to you.
Thank you, Vandana. Thank you for kind words. Can you guys see my screen?
Yeah, we can see. We will need a volunteer, right? Do you want a volunteer for that?
Yes. So let's see who wants to create their product. So we will see their market potential. Who all are really serious to earn money? Okay, Karuna ji, yes, please go ahead. What is the product you want to make? You're on mute, so you have to unmute.
Shiba also wants to see her market potential, Ankur.
We will after her, Karuna ji will see it. Yeah, Karuna ji, go ahead.
Yeah, thank you for giving me the opportunity. I'm a knowledge giver, as Vandana said. I'm a yoga and meditation trainer as well as emotional healer.
Emotional healer. Okay, so
Yeah.
you want to make a course on emotional healing.
Yeah, because people find when I help them, I get good feedback that they have been able to solve their problem.
So, Karna ji, in India is 130 crore people, and I'm just going to take India. How many people will be your target market with the COVID situation going in?
As of today's scenario, I would say more than 50%.
More than 50%. Okay, for just for sake of taking it, I will take 50 crore people are your target audience. And what's going to be the cost for your product if you make a digital product?
At present, I charge them 35,000 for 10 sessions.
No. When you are going to make it digital course.
Yeah, digitally just now I'm charging. I mean on Zoom just now when I'm doing
No,
one to
there
one.
you are spending your time. I'm talking about digital course where your time is not involved.
Okay.
So
I
you
haven't
think
given a thought yet.
3,500 or 3,000 will be a good price because you are not involving your time.
Yeah, if you say so, yeah,
Okay.
because I've not given a thought to this yet. Yeah.
So we are talking about 50 multiply by 3,000. We are talking about 1,50,000 crore only, the market potential. But if you can reach 1%, if you can reach 1% people, we
Fair
are
enough.
talking about 1,500 crore. And out of those 1,500, 1%, only 1% buys it, which is I'm really
No, I do.
conservative.
I do understand. Fair
Yeah.
enough.
So we are talking about 15 crore per year for your market potential. Do you think this money is enough for you or do you need more?
But now it is more than enough. More than I
Enough,
can think.
not only for
More than I-
yourself, but you can do a lot good to the world as well. Right. So what I'm trying to say is the potential is really huge because this is and I have not taken this for the whole world. To be very frank, if you can deliver in the global language like English, you may be adding 150 crore, 50 crore more people who will be willing to pay you more than 3,000 rupees, because when they pay in dollars and euros, it comes very cheap for them. We can actually double or triple this price, and 15 to 30 crore is not a big amount. So I hope you are motivated enough. Let's go to next volunteer. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Karunaji, for your participation. You have a great potential and great thing to add value, because pandemic is not going to kill people, but mental disease will. I'm pretty sure about that. Yeah, people
Thank
are
you
in
so much.
great stage. Thank you, Karunaji.
Shiba. Next is Shiba. Shiba, please unmute yourself.
Shiva can come on video. Don't worry if you are not looking good. I just finished my walk and I'm also not looking that great. So don't bother about
Yeah.
how you're looking.
You see me now?
Yes.
Am-
Yeah, you're looking awesome. Yeah. Go ahead.
Good evening.
Good evening, Shiva.
Yeah. So there are two things that, I'm very good at cooking. So I was thinking of a restaurant. But the second thing that I had in mind, because I'm too involved in meditation and I love doing yoga, and I can improvise it further. So my second thought was again like ma'am only, that if I can get into any kind of a healing process, because when it comes to earning money, like I'm more of a service person than a salesperson, right? Anything which can make people happy. I'm starting a restaurant also because I'll put my love and soul into it while I'll cook, right? So similarly, if you say you go and sell these two books, I can't do that. It's very tough thing. So anything to do with the service, I'll be able to do well. So if I have to get into a healing thing, then I think it will come down to the same figures what you mentioned just now.
Healing actually will be little less because the 50 crore may become 25 crore. But if you are happy with 7.5 crore, I'm like, I'll be very happy if that's the whole profit to me.
Yeah, it's not just about healing. That I want to create a program mix of meditation, yoga, and there are certain other modalities which I've learned. I follow Sadhguru. I have been to this what do you say, sisters BK Shivani's ashram. I've been there for 7-8 days. Not just that, I just wanted to learn, because somewhere my heart and soul is connected to healing. So I wanted to learn.
Good idea. You have to make it little niche, because yoga and healing, there are hundreds of people, as of now, and they'll be going higher only. So first
Yeah.
you have to time it right. If you have to do, you have to do it something fast,
Yeah.
because else the space will become
Yeah.
very
It's already
crowded.
full, I
Yeah.
guess. So yeah.
Number one. Number two, you have to find your niche. As Vandana discussed, once you have yoga is not enough. Then you say yoga for diabetes and yoga for diabetic kids. Suddenly
Mhm.
you have, like, you have defined your theme, and
Yeah.
then you can actually charge more. Then you don't need to stick to 3,000 rupees. We may be talking 15,000 or 20,000 people, because people love their kid. They will not spend on their yoga classes, but they will definitely spend on their kids yoga
Yeah.
classes if they have condition.
Absolutely.
And you will be doing much more favor. One mindset shift I really want all of you to have is, which we have discussed, that we always think to ask for money. Somehow we have this
No.
tendency that, like, if I ask money, I'm becoming this thing. But if you go to doctor, you pay 500 rupees as a fee, and you get well. Who is getting more benefit of that 500 rupees? You or doctor?
Us.
Us. You come to me. I am a jeweler also. Vandana told you, buy a gold coin or a jewelry at 5,000 rupee cost, and that's going to go up. People appreciate you. You look good. You feel confident. I might have made 2% out of that. Who is
Yeah.
getting more benefit?
Again, me.
Yes. So basic idea what it is, any good service or sales, customer get more benefit. So customer may pay Karuna ji 3,000 rupees, or customer may pay 5,000 rupees to Shiba, but the amount of gain they are going to get will be in lakhs and crores. Do you agree? So
Absolutely.
never feel shy, because if you don't charge, you may not be able to publish your things to the world.
Yeah.
So if a good doctor is not advertising, people are going to bad doctor, so the bad karma will come to good doctor as well. So if you are a good person, if you have a good service, if
Yeah.
you are good at what you do, it's your moral responsibility to promote yourself and toot your horn and invest in your learning, so you can reach out to more people. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, I'm here anyways. Vandana, over to you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Wendy, we can't hear you. We can't hear you.
I'm saying that we have few more people who volunteered, Vandana, Arpita, and Deep Bhatia.
Okay, quickly, I will take Vandana ji. Can you come on video? Maybe I will share my screen again. Vandana ji, namaskar.
Hello, sir. My
Okay.
question is I was into the academics for more than 4 years, and but nowadays I'm not working. So I wanted to create course which is combination of both human resource development and soft skill development. So should I concentrate more on specific only either soft skill development or HR, or should I combine both? Like
The courses,
uh,
the way it works is, you have to have some niche course which will attract your tribe, right? And once you get them, then you can. So if you go to more or any retail shop, you will go to buy rice or apple, whatever it is, but they will place their things like that you will end up buying some more things. So you have to attract your customer with what you are really good at it. If somebody sees your content, they said, yeah, this girl, hats off to Vandana, she has changed my life. Once they get good thing from you, the next thing is very simple. Then you can say, do you know what? Uh, I'm going to give you the HR course, which actually I charge 20,000. I'm going to give you in 10,000, because you have you have bought something from me, right? So that is called upsell and cross sell, right? That's a very important in this thing. So you the tribe, your same tribe will keep on getting more and more products from you. So Vandana will explain how that whole funnel thing works. This is called funnel. You get them in
Okay.
Tripwire, and then slowly you take them to little higher course, and then higher course, and then finally at personal coaching or whatever it is. Right. So
So I want to add here. So basically, you know what happens is, I know we are multi-talented people. We can you are multi-talented people and you have multiple offerings. But I call it, see, in your house, every house has one main door, right? From where you take people into your house, into your home. So when you say, I want to do this also, I want to do, I'll take Shiba's example, hotel or healing or yoga. And because the sharing, there are so many, the thoughts are, okay, great. They're all great. If you can do that, awesome. But not at the entry stage. At the entry stage, currently they all look very scattered, right? At the entry stage, you need to have only one main door into your world. Okay. Now, I want to share that there are few people in my 30-day challenge and there are few people in my 3 months personal consulting. So, you know, what I see is that let's take Dr. Vandana's example only because I started with her today. Let me talk about that, right? So she is she's a dentist, okay? But she wants to do mindfulness. That is her interest. Okay, mindfulness only. She says, I want to do mindfulness for everyone because they really like this. Then she said, I also want to help dental students find alternate jobs because they are struggling. There is job saturation. So what I recommended to her is that why don't you create a program for dental students for alternate career, and then inside when they come, you do mindfulness also with them. No? So you open the world, you open the doors to your offerings through one product. Why? Because for a dental student the dental student searching for alternate jobs, the communication is different. For mindfulness, the communication is different. For your case also, soft skills communication is different. For other, you said HR, right?
Yes.
But for that, the target audience is different. No, the communication, because what happens is, this is the challenge. This is a leak problem. Why? Because you are trying to tell whatever you are doing for whomsoever you are doing in just one communication. So it is all coming chaotic. People don't know, and that is why you have mixed results. You know, पुराने जमाने में रेडियो होता था, वो एनालॉग वाला रेडियो. उसको unless we have tuned it to the right frequency, only music will come then. Correct? It is right? So in your life, right now, because not having that clarity of communication, because you are doing so many things, your target audience for each offering is different. The problems they are going through is different. Their needs are different, right? So, and you are talking a whole gamut of things that you are doing, that creates a lot of chaos. No clarity. You don't have clarity on what is it that you're selling. They don't have clarity on what is it that they are getting. And that is why the sales are not happening. And that is why your income is not happening the way you are expecting. Right? So very important to open the door into your world with just one offering. And that is what everybody is calling, find your niche, find your niche, find your niche. Okay. So there are actually 6 niches. Okay. Business growth, career growth, health, finance, wealth, okay, relationships, and your personal development. You can put even hobbies and creative arts, everything I will put under personal development only. Okay, mindset shifts, healing, spirituality, everything will come under personal development, right? So basically, these are all high selling niche. So whatever you're doing will fall in these 6 categories only. All you have to do is narrow down your target audience, narrow down your offering. So yeah. So yeah, I'm done. Maybe we'll take Vandana is done, then Arpita Ankur. Oh, Vandana, we have not done her market potential, right?
Vandana needs to figure out the target audience.
Okay, first decide one. That is why when you made a list of so many courses based on the 7P process, that which will see, there's one more input I have here, okay? Now, there is a product of your heart. As Shiba said, my heart is into healing, you know, but her restaurant is an easier sell, whatever she is doing, cooking, what, right? So if you are financially free, if money is not a problem in your life, okay, आप पैसा आया तो भी ठीक, नहीं आया तो भी ठीक, आप तो मन का करना है, तो then please go into yoga and healing, okay? If you want income also, and a good income, and if you have both the options, you 5 days of the week you do that money making thing, because money will solve a lot of problem in your life, and then weekend mein karo na free, kisne roka hai? Do this healing yoga, okay, in free time, low costing, till that picks up. So have a balance, right? See, and you said I'm not a salesperson, I'm a service person. Whatever you are, you still have to sell. You will talk about your healing or service to someone, that yeah, I want to give you healing, do you want to do it free? You will have to ask money. Unless you have financial abundance in your life, money is not there at all a problem, and you just want to do something in this world and you can afford to do it free, please do it, listen to your heart. But I am saying right now, have a balance of heart and mind, because materialism and your spiritualism must coexist, okay?
Let's quickly take Karpita, then you have to cover a lot of things.
Yeah.
Karpita ji,
hi.
namaskar.
Yeah. Hi, namaste. I'm into the apparel industry for almost 3-4 years. Zara बोल के एक brand है. So yeah,
Zara.
I'm working with Zara. So I'm working with them.
सबको मालूम है यार.
So I'm working with them in the supply chain segment उनका जो across Europe and Asia. So I was planning to start something for the women, handloom and handicrafts ka, if people are, I mean, if women, they can start from home. So I wanted to do frame courses, you know, for that, how they can procure, how they can choose supplier, how they can negotiate and I mean, they can sell it.
आपके हिसाब से आपका टारगेट ऑडियंस कितना रहेगा 150 करोड़ में?
Maybe 20%.
20%. We are talking about 30 crore. And what do you think people will pay for this? Because they are making business out of it.
So initially, yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Initially, I'll start with level 1 kind of course, which I would like to price at 4,999. I mean, below, yeah, within 5,000, yeah.
5,000 for my this thing. Then again, we are talking about 30 multiplied by 5,000, 1,50,000 crore only. And if you know, again, same formula, 100 people, if 100 people buy your come to your seminar, 1,500 is a potential, you can 1,500 crore. And if even I say only 1 in 1,000 buys, we are talking about 1.5 crore for your first level. So Arpita, just for first level, then you have to take them into next journey and take them higher. And this is, I'm talking about per year.
Okay.
Makes sense?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, so it's a very good money, because, and do you know what is the beauty of this? You will post this, and if it clicks, you have to make sure you not only talk only in rupees, you should be talking in euros, because Zara being a global brand, you should be talking in euro and dollars. So not only in India, people in abroad also can see this. So when you make think global, act local, that's the mantra of the word now. So this 1.5 crore can become 3 crore also. It's very easy, and you are not slogging. Currently, you may be working 7 days a week or whatever it is, with a lot of pressure. I know what supply chain means. With a lot of pressure, it is happening. You are in Goa or Mauritius or Tora Bora or Maldives. This will work, and you will have internet anywhere. So we actually met one gentleman in Kudupi. I took my whole software company there. And then I met one guy who was taking a surfing lesson with me. So I asked, what you do? He said, I'm a software freelancer. And he has taken out his car and he goes to all the beautiful towns. So Mangalore, Udupi, Goa, Gokarna. He spent his daytime in doing software coding and all, and morning and evening he just enjoys. So that lifestyle is now possible. The 9 to 5 desk job is no more required. So you have a great potential because your niche is very nice. Not many people you will find it. So your even Facebook ad will not cost much. So go ahead and get crores in your account. Best of luck. Vandana, go
Thank
ahead.
you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're on mute.
Yeah, Deep Bhatia ji we have, and then we are done, and then I'll move ahead from there.
Deep Ji, I liked your photograph. Where
Hello.
Deep Ji is?
हेलो
हाँ दीप जी नमस्कार. कहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं आप?
मैं चंडीगढ़ से, जीरकपुर चंडीगढ़ से.
अरे वाह, आपका लुक बंगाली का लुक आ रहा है मुझे. बंगाली लुक
Thank
लग
you.
रहा है.
Actually, I am a retired person from government India and doing photography, art photography for the last 35 years.
Okay.
And I've done physical training and workshop in photography. And after the COVID scenario, I started online classes in photography. Photography, art photography as a fine art. So I want to know whether online classes better or I should create the courses and that should publish somewhere else.
See, दीप जी आपको एक बात बोलता हूँ मैं. We have some guest. So for example, if someone comes to you and say, "Sir, मुझे photography मुझे सिखाओ," ठीक है? And then you have to start from A, B, C, D, and then by the time you reach to the advanced level of photography, like you have lost interest, he has lost interest.
Okay.
And how many more people you can teach like that? So what you should do is prepare the basic level 1, basic level 2, basic level 3. भैया ये मेरे classes हैं, go and attend it, and then you come back to me. We will have one session where I'm going to clarify your doubts, right? And once he is going to come saying, yeah, आपने ऐसा बोला था, उसका aperture, lens वगैरह वगैरह, I understood everything, but I have 2 doubts. Then from that foundation, so somebody has prepared the Neve. From that foundation, you can really make the structure well. So your effort will also be less, your time, because people don't realize the value of time. Even if you give $1 billion, you can't buy 1 extra hour in your day, right? So your time will be saved. And then you say 3,000 rupees, you're going to get me that. And then on top of that, slowly you can take them to whatever level you want to take.
Actually, I'm doing advanced level of training, photography.
That's what I'm saying.
Specialization, but the response is not that much.
Because people are, मैं आऊंगा. I'm a novice. I really don't know much about it. आप मुझे एकदम ऐसा गूगली डालोगे कि यार ये तो aperture तो इतना light and wave, मैंने कहा यार छोड़ दो करके. Versus you tell me, okay, you are going to join my course which will cost you 10,000 rupees, but it will have 2-3 courses or whatever it is, which is worth 15,000 rupees. That's how it is done in digital market, right? Okay. Then I will come prepared for your googlies. You will be teaching calculus and trigonometries. I don't even know 1 + 1, where the match will be. At least if I have recorded sessions which I can watch 2-3 times. I don't need you. नहीं दीप जी आप मेरे साथ बैठिए, बार मुझे समझ में नहीं आया फिर से समझाइए. What I have to do is वापस लेके जाओ, पीछे लेके जाओ, फिर से प्ले करो, राइट? कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो आपका जो भी आपका टीचेबल रहेगा, यूडीमी रहेगा, उसमें चैट बॉक्स रहता है कि दीप जी I didn't understand that. So that question will not only be seen to me, anybody going through with those questions will see that question.
Okay.
right? तो वो जाके बनाएंगे और then when I'm going through your video and I will have same question, I'll अरे यार दीप जी को किसी ने पूछा था and now I know the answer, right?
Right.
आपका बहुत काम कम हो जाएगा, then you will start attracting. So basically what you have to do is you have to sell people that course. वहां से entry होगा, that's going to be main gate.
Okay.
And few people who are happy with the selfies and अपना छोटा मोटा घर का program, they will stop there. Out of 100, 10
Okay.
people will continue. And after 10, one person will like आपको गुरु मान के आपके साथ life बिताएगा type. समझ रहे हो आप? So that's how the journey is. That's how the journey is. It takes time. It takes time. I was talking to Vandana also. Any major success, it's like Mount Everest, climbing Mount Everest, right? आपको अगर नहीं मालूम है, you need to do lot of things. You have to improve your health, lungs. You know the physical thing. You have to improve your core strength. धीरे धीरे करके बढ़ता है ना. लेकिन हजारों लोग पहुंचे हैं, and हजारों लोग, believe me, thousands of people are minting money like anything. Just we don't know. Yeah, there are thousands of trainers. There are 1.5 lakh courses. They all are selling well only on one platform. There are many platforms like that. आपको just you have to follow the steps we take to reach Mount Everest. There are some steps. Base level, base camp 1 रहता है, base camp 2 रहता है, base camp 3 रहता है. आप step follow करो. पहली बार में नहीं होगा, base camp 3 से वापस आ जाओगे. Come back, work on what didn't work. Then again, people have shown it works. जिनका पाँव नहीं है, they have gone through. 13-year-old gone through. 80-year-old gone through. Because they follow the process. You have to just follow the process and have the right mentor.
One more question. Actually, I'm not comfortable in English speaking.
हिंदी चलेगा सर. Do you know कितने हिंदी कितना इंग्लिश बोलते हैं लोग? हिंदी वाले बोलने वाले ज्यादा इंडिया में कि इंग्लिश वाले?
दोनों बराबर ही होंगे.
अरे नहीं, कहाँ इंग्लिश बोलने वाले कहाँ हैं, आप बताओ मुझे. अभी यंगर जनरेशन बोल रहा है. नॉर्थ में तो अब मेरे को मिलता नहीं कोई. मैं वहां जाता हूँ तो, राइट? मेरे ख्याल से 40 करोड़, 40 से आई हैव सीन 42 करोड़ पीपल स्पीक हिंदी. So Chinese is the number 1 spoken language. There are 100 crore, some people say. Mandarin, Mandarin. And then it comes to English, and Hindi is the third. No, Hindi is third. Then Spanish is later.
So if I create my courses in Hindi,
बिल्कुल चलेगा सर. उसमें basically आपको क्या करना है, आपको दीजिए.
Okay.
Lot of people watch Hindi movie with English subtitle and vice versa.
Okay.
English subtitle कोई भी डाल देगा. आप किसी को आप Fiverr करके है, आप बोलोगे यार इसको हिंदी में convert कर दो. So they will keep on seeing it. I watch lot of Kannada movie. We are in Bangalore. I watch lot of Kannada movie to improve my Kannada. That's number 1. And with the subtitle.
Captioning bolte, subtitle. No, so actually, I'll take over from here. 19 actually, because
it's very nice talking to you. Very nice talking to you, all of you. Thank you so much.
So first of all, when you want to make a course in English, you're competing with the world.
Okay.
But if you want to make course in local language, you have reduced your competition drastically. A lot of people come to me and tell me, can you do your program in Hindi? ये वाला program हिंदी में करो. Right? The local language is picking up. That is why Google is also doing local language. WhatsApp, everybody is trying to come in local language. Facebook is giving local language.
Yes.
So that is untapped market. तो और अच्छा है अगर हिंदी में करेंगे तो why you have to do it in English in the beginning? कोई भी बुक सक्सेसफुल होती है पहले तो वो इंग्लिश में बनती है, बाद में उसको लोकल लैंग्वेज में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं, या लोकल लैंग्वेज की कोई बुक सक्सेसफुल होती है तो उसको दूसरे लैंग्वेजेस में, वर्ल्ड की लैंग्वेजेस में ट्रांसलेट करते हैं. Just take the first step. That's all. Right. That is one. The second also brings us to today's session, which is monetization strategy, because आप उसी की बात कर रहे थे. Ankur was explaining you that. See, what happens is you may be PhD of your subject, but people, you are teaching class 1 kind of students, right? And the class 1 is volume. Matlab, there are a lot of people who want to, learn some things, but they want to start at beginner level.
Yes.
So even though you are saying I teach only advanced, so advanced is your profit maximizer. So now let me introduce the terms, which is a conversion strategy and which is a monetization strategy, which was today's agenda as well. That for the knowledge business or for any business that matter, right now the online world, how it works, because people don't get to interact with you, and anyone who wants to take a high ticket product, they first need to establish trust with you. So law of the online world is givers gain. You have to give massive value. So how you can structure your offering is, you make a low ticket product or a free product. A free product is called a lead magnet, or it could be a very low ticket, level 0 bolte hain usko, level 0 lead magnet. Like all of you, this 199 is a lead magnet. I used to do free. In free, I will get thousands of people, but during the program, not even 10% will show up, because people forget that they have signed up for something like this. In the paid program, at least when people pay money, I'm not looking at how much money you guys have paid me, because I have paid much more to Facebook to get you here. Okay, so this is my lead magnet. What I'm trying to do is attract quality people. Because at this stage, it does not matter how much money you are paying or taken out from your pocket. If you have taken out any money from your pocket, or your clients are taking out any money for your pocket, that means they are serious. They are hot leads. They have a need right now. Free mein you can't qualify the need. Okay, so that is a lead magnet. So thousands, if you do a free photography workshop, you will get thousands of people coming in. Now, when you do the free photography workshop with them, you will be making your offer to the next level, which is called a tripwire, which is a low ticket offering again. Okay, which is 999 to 4999. That is the maximum range you can keep. 999, 1,000 rupees se 5,000 rupees. That in 999 to 4999. Okay. So out of those 1,000 people, the best conversions in the market, actually 80-20 rule hona chahiye. लेकिन अभी इस इंडस्ट्री में 10% is a great conversion. Generally 5 to 10% is happening. So let's take 10%. So 100 people will buy your low ticket, which is say you priced it at 2,999. Okay, they will buy that. Now, when they have they have moved from a stranger visitor stage, from a lead stage to a customer now. Right now, out of these 100 people, you will have to upsell your next level offering, which is intermediate program. Okay, then 10% from there will move here. So 10 people will move to this next level, which is your core product. Okay, it's called the core product. And then out of these 10, only 10%, one customer will come to your advanced course, which is your profit maximizer. So core product you can price digitally anywhere from 7,999 to 19,999 or 29,999, depending upon your area of expertise, like you're a very senior, so experienced. So based on that, which is core product, where we have to define, there are a lot of things there. Okay. Now, so 100 from 1,000, 100 bought your 2,999, 10 bought your 29,999. Okay. And then one is buying your advanced workshop, which you are pricing at anywhere between 99,999, which is 1 lakh, to 2,99,000, 3 lakh. That's your profit maximizer. आपके दुनिया में आए कितने लोग? 1,000 फ्री में. कस्टमर कितने बने? 100 छोटे टिकट के लिए. उसमें से नेक्स्ट लेवल पे कितना आया? 10. और आपका प्रॉफिट मैक्सिमाइजर कितना आया? 1. So if you have a one customer who is willing to pay you right now for your advanced courses, they are equal to 100 free people who have come into your, they are equal to 1,000 free people who have come into your world.
Right.
Makes sense? This is a monetization strategy. Okay. And
how much should be the low ticket price?
Low ticket?
Yeah.
99 वो 999 से 4,999 बोला ना मैंने, वो ट्रिप वायर का लीड मैग्नेट आप फ्री भी कर सकते हो.
Okay.
But I have done a lot of free things, and I am not recommending my tribe to do anything free. As I said, one paid customer. Don't look at the money. आप लोग ये batch में भी मेरा last 2 weeks there are a lot of issues happening with Facebook. They have changed some interface and all. I have paid almost 1,000 rupees for each one of you.
Okay.
You paid 199. I have paid 1,000 rupees. So 800 रुपए मैंने दिए आपको ये program attend करने के लिए actually.
Right.
Why? Because this is I just want to attract serious people, right? I can focus. Now I have this batch 30 people signed up. So you are equal to 300 free leads. My 30 paid people are equal to 300 paid leads, free leads. Right? So ये 30 में से 3 लोग मेरे next level पे आएंगे. 10% is a great conversion, right? नहीं आए तो कोई बात नहीं. Because I am in a very different, I'm working with very different goals in mind, right? So this is how the knowledge business will work. Even for your other businesses, you have to give free sampling. Okay, if Shiba wants to open a restaurant, she has to give a free samples of something, or she can give a free recipe book. She said, I make nice, in the WhatsApp group, she shared some things, right? So you give free recipes, download a video of how to make this so that, they don't have to go to YouTube and look at ads. You can create a mini course for free recipes, right? And get people interested into your world. Getting attention and of people and getting them interested in your offering is the first stage among so much competition. So there are a lot of hacks, strategies, powerful tips and techniques. There are many things that can be done depending upon the nature of your product or services. Make sense? Now, so let's look at digitalization. What are your challenges? First stage, course. Which course to create, right? So you must know what is your unique serving proposition. You must know what is your unique value proposition, right? So what are the skills you will need? Now this is a challenge. So to get rid of this challenge, you need to acquire some skills, right? So you must understand the demand supply logic. You must understand what makes a course sellable. You must understand customer psychology. You must understand customer buying patterns. You must know how to attract the attention of the target audience. You must be able to communicate the value your products or services are bringing. So which course to create? These are the challenges, your challenges right now, right? But how to record your courses? That's again a challenge, because somehow you will, and generally we are all, traditional people now, conventional people. We are not millennials, right? So for us, we have seen video banana, movie banana बड़ा expensive process होता है. Video के लिए shoot करना पड़ता है, because हमारे शादियों में हमने videographer बुलाया था. So there is a high cost involved. So somehow we believe there's a lot of high cost involved, a lot of studio setup needed, right? So things are changing. You need to get skilled. You must know how to create high impact videos and what high converting videos. You must also learn how to make sellable content inside the video. I call it the 3R content: right, relevant, risk-free content. So how will you find what is right, relevant content? For that, you have to take the help of very beautiful platforms which are available. You make them your partner. Free में partner बन रहा है. Google, Quora, free में partner बन रहा है आपके. You just simply have to go and do your research work there. What people are asking in your area of expertise. Okay. Then you need to acquire some creative skills. There are tools. I'm going to be discussing tomorrow, listing all the tools where you can make your own creatives, own flyers, own brochures, your own 3D boxes. So you can save, this becomes a recurring cost, right? So then you need some editing skills. Okay, then now I don't know how to edit. I'm tech challenged. So what should I do? Find a tool which does not allow you to do, does not make you to do editing. Tomorrow I'll be discussing all the tools. Okay. So you must know some necessary digital systems and tools know-how and low-cost recording options. So I'm going to be giving a video, 20-minute video to you after today's class, where I teach you how to record a low-cost video right in the comfort of your home. Okay, because I don't want to spend 20 minutes teaching how to do that. I've already recorded and uploaded. You guys can observe that later, right? Now publishing the course. Now free, what are the platforms? Should I go on Udemy? Should I create my own learning system? Should I go for paid option? What are the tools for paid option? Which is a good tool? So many things are there. So is that your challenge? Now you don't know where to publish it. Promoting, this is the biggest problem of every business. How to generate leads, how to get direct traffic to your products and offerings. For that, you must know how to price your products. I showed the conversion strategy as pricing also I shared in the knowledge business. It depends on the nature of your business, how to price it and all those things, right? So we will take another 20 minutes. Okay. How long will it be there? What are you talking about? The session? 8:30. Okay. So now market potential we looked at today. So, but the thing is defining your target audience. No, the video will be there forever. Video will be there forever. The how to record your video using low cost options will be there forever. I just published it, made it public on YouTube. Okay. Yeah, so define your target market, new age salesmanship skill, which I was talking about, branding skills, visibility, credibility, profitability. First become visible, then become credible. Only then you will become profitable, right? So these are the selling skills, entrepreneurship skills, as I spoke, right? So very important to understand the color psychology, the pricing psychology, the number psychology, right? And you must know powerful in-trend skills that the world is using on digital platforms. So that these are a lot of skills that so whatever challenges you are going through right now, right? Whatever challenges you are going through right now, the solution to all your challenges is getting skilled. So it's time to change gears. It's time to acquire high income skills, because currently all these challenges are appearing very big problems in your life because it's a matter of skill. If your skills are less than the problem you are facing, the problem is a humongous problem. But if you increase your skills, all these problems will become very small problem in your life. So when you were in 10th grade, 5th grade was tough. Sorry, when you're in when you are in 10th grade is tough, right? But 5th grade is very easy. But where you were in 5th grade, when you were in 5th grade, 5th grade was tough, right? So as your skills level go up, for example, Prem Bhatia ji is doing advanced photography, but he would have started from basics, no?
Yeah.
Correct. So now he has become skilled. So it is initially, what are the different cameras, what are the different types of lenses, how to, with his whole experience and for so many years, he's now sharing insights, deep insights and wisdom. He would have spent some 15 years learning how to use the camera, all his knowledge to somebody who is a 22-year-old coming into his world and willing to take photography as his passion or as his profession. He will teach his 15-20 years in just 5-6 months to him.
Yeah.
Exactly what I am also doing. It is not this 3 years is just my digital world journey. I have 14 years of entrepreneurship experience across 7 diverse businesses, B2B, B2C, different clients. I was selling ice cream 80 rupees. I'm selling diamond necklaces worth 8 lakh, 10 lakhs. I'm selling software products worth 80 lakhs. My team in software company is white collar professional. My team in retail is graduates or, just 10th and 12th pass. My team in ice cream was Pachvi pass. My customers for ice cream is different. My customers for jewelry is different. My customers for IT company is different. So much, both Ankur and I have acquired, a great business acumen, right? So, but now somebody coming into our world, you are getting squeezed. The crores of turnover. I have invested more than 40 to 52 lakhs now. I'm adding every year in my in our learnings, right? And in last 3 years itself, in the digital world itself, more than now last 6 months itself, another 6-7 lakhs went into marketing. About 27 lakhs of investment to see what's happening, how things work, learning, applying, right? But you guys come into my world, you get a squeeze of my knowledge, my insights, my wisdom. So you don't have to go walk through that cycle. That's the power of having right teachers in our life. So it's time to acquire high income skills, right? It is just a matter, all challenges in your life is just a matter of not skills, not having enough skills. That's all. You're not able to handle, people are not able to handle depression in their life because they don't have the necessary emotional and mental skills. You're not able to know or learn how to make videos because you don't have the video editing, recording skills or the tool skills. So it's a matter of skill. Do you agree it's a matter of skill? And whatever you're earning today, whatever your profession today, you have got yourself skilled for that, right? So if you want to create serious online business, it's just a matter of getting skilled, right? If you try to do everything on your own, it is not going to work, right? You cannot become an expert. You cannot create a serious online business in 3 to 6 months if you want to do it on your own. It's not that you cannot do it. You have to invest more time. By that time, that wave to ride, the opportunity wave is already gone. फिर ऐसा नहीं opportunity खत्म हो जाएगी, कुछ और आएगा, but बैठे रहो, right? So it's time to get skilled, and let's look at what are some of the skills that you need to acquire. Okay, I'm just going to be sharing my slide deck. So the most important, okay, slide show karna padega, 1 second. So the most important skill that you need to acquire is learning the language of the digital world. Learning the language of the high income skill. I am not telling you that acquire any skill. Right now you are going and acquiring painting. If you have 5 hours, if you have some time in a day, if you say, you know what, I want to become an artist, but I am a healer and I also want to make most of my online business. अरे तो ये hobby को बाजू में रखो, high income skill acquire करो, बाद में कर लेना. It's that choice you have. What is the priority in your life right now? Right? So it's learn the language of the digital world, which I will teach tomorrow, 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and 5 pillars that matter for your growth, which I'll be covering tomorrow. What digital assets to build? We have looked in digitalization. It could be ebook, PDF, courses, proper sellable courses, high converting courses. It could be your digital representation of your physical products and digital representation of your services. These are all your digital assets. Whether you will be there or not, they will stay forever. These products can actually help you leave your legacy on the planet, right? And then you must have a know-how of this whole digital puzzle and some tools, digital systems and tools that you can use, right? And good news, lot more powerful tools are coming up. Earlier, we had to have some 7, 8, 9, 10 different types of tools. There are a lot more new tools which are coming up, which are all inclusive, everything at one place. Okay. So beautiful stuff happening, guys. Just get on this journey, and you will need to work with a mentor for sure. Because if you think you can do it on your own, let me share a fact with you. Okay. In the past 6 months, there are many people, because I simplify so much, they think they can do it on their own. And when we are calling them that how much have you progressed, they have not even moved 1 inch. 1 inch. Because life takes over. You need a community, you need support network, right? So new age salesmanship is very different, as I've already explained with Deep Bhatiaji's example, right? Then copywriting, it is not making you authors. It is that the GPS, if you're able to write your GPS properly, you will be able to communicate the value your business will bring in the life of your target audience, because people will pay you for the outcomes. If you're not clarifying the outcomes, sales will not happen, right? So I want you to rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, that whatever skills that we just spoke about, how many skills do you have? You know, I mean, 10 being I have all the skills, 1 being no, I am a beginner, I don't even know where to start, right? Rate yourself on these skills that I just shared: knowing the language of the digital world, new age salesmanship, copywriting, digital systems and tools, right? It is for you to rate in the chat box, or you can put it in your notebook. Okay, because only when you are in awareness and then acceptance and acknowledgement that yes, I don't know this, then you will take the necessary steps to do something about it. Otherwise, people continue to be in victim mode. I don't know this, I don't know this, I don't know this. Okay, what can you do about it? Get skilled, go and learn. right? So that's how. So once you know where you are, what is a growth blocker? I said one of the outcomes will be you will know what are your growth blockers. You will get clarity. You will know that what course to digitalize, which will become a high converting sellable course, provided you know your USP, unique serving proposition. Okay, not selling propositions, serving propositions. Law of the online world, serve. Because if you come to my diamond showroom and you say that earring ke saath pendant free de do, I cannot. But you come to my program and you say Vandana तुम्हारे create and sell online के courses के साथ मुझे life mastery वाला course free दे दो, I can give. I have digitized it. मेरा entrepreneurship वाला course free दे दो, I can give because I have digitized it. Right? That is the power. Givers gain. Right? This business allows you to become big hearted, okay, without much loss to you. Okay, so these are some of the external skills. So I hope you also noted what are the external skills you need to acquire. Okay, now I also see people have a lot of internal skills, which thank you Shiba so much for. So I know it takes a lot of courage to publicly accept your internal fears, and you've written such a beautiful full and even Karuna ji, आप दोनों ने इतने अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस किया आपके क्या challenges हैं internal, beautiful, right? So it's time to overcome your fears, okay? Because whoever you are, people will still judge you. You think, okay, right now I am delivering my programs. Okay, there are people who have already significantly passed judgment on that Facebook campaign itself, right? Because they did not see the email, they did not see the landing page, they did not see the WhatsApp group. There are thousands of people who come who are already in the WhatsApp group, but people simply pass a judgment. Okay, highly unprofessional. There, you never took time to respond to us. So they simply, and I used to get hurt in the beginning. My father passed away on 30th of December, and I was doing these 5-day classes back to back, 2020. And I had to halt this program. And what I just shared the recordings of my program for whoever had come on board. And I communicated because the WhatsApp is, the ads are continuously running, people are continuously being added. So in WhatsApp, you can't pin the post, right? So there were people who came in later who didn't know what had happened, and they simply passed judgment. They simply pass judgment that we go, only recordings were given, this and that, whatever. Okay. So what the point I'm trying to tell you is, whoever you are, people will simply pass judgments because it has nothing to do with you. Their perception about you is a reflection of them. If you think, Vandana, you're authentic, it's a reflection of you. Because the way I am teaching, you are doing things like that, and that is why that means authentic to you. Right? If you think, Vandana, you're very smart, it is because you may be smart. The way I am doing things, that is why. Okay, you think, Vandana, you're very beautiful. You are beautiful. That is why you can see the beauty in me. Oh wow, oh, Vandana is a very smart entrepreneur. Vandana is very cunning. Okay, that also your perception about me is simply a reflection of you. So people will continue to judge. You be who you are. So it's time to overcome this fear of being judged. Other fear is fear of rejection. People will continue to reject, okay? Just be your natural self because it has nothing to do with you, okay? So it's time to overcome all your internal fears, and most importantly, you should be an action taker. Action taker, so important, right? Because knowing is not doing. Now you know. So you know swimming by reading the books on swimming. But unless you dive into the pool, how will you know what swimming actually is? So now you know everything about the digitalization. We have to do 4-step: purpose, prepare, publish, promote. And when you actually get into preparation, you will end up with new set of challenges, Baba. Right? So you need someone, a community, a mentor who has walked the path, who can actually help you, a consultant, right? I'm not a coach, okay? Because I give solutions. I can't tell you figure out solutions on your own. Okay, I've walked the path, so please don't call me a coach. I really don't like to be called a coach. You can call me a consultant, a mentor, a guide, a teacher, a trainer, a friend. Very happy, okay? But I am not your coach, okay? So be an action taker. Later or now, right? That is the question. If people think later, that later is going to never happen. That later is always later, because tomorrow never comes. There is nothing called tomorrow. It's only today. Okay. So you should be ready to invest in your growth, your time, your money, your resources, if your growth matters to you. These are your internal challenges, right? Whatever is needed, right? Whatever it takes, just choose the direction and whatever it takes, right? So, and a never give up attitude, a never give up attitude. Why? Because this, when the digital world is continuously changing, Facebook recently changed its APIs. It has caused so much problem to many people. The cost per lead has gone up. So what was working for you today may not work tomorrow. So you have to be consistently on that path, never give up, whatever it takes, and being resourceful at whatever. So these are some of the skills that you need to acquire, right? So getting skilled is a monetization strategy. Conversion, I spoke, pricing, product pricing and market potential is a monetization strategy. You are knowing what are you getting into. So today's agenda was monetization strategy. Now building your influence, that is also a monetization strategy. So rate yourself on a scale of 1 to 10, where you stand on internal skills, and what internal skills do you think you need to work upon right now, right? You can share here. So all in all, I hope you do realize it's time to acquire high income skills, not any skills, high income skills. Because if you don't get as skilled as possible, as soon as possible, you will be outdated. We have seen the technology adoption curve yesterday. Sooner or later, you will have to do this. Why not today? At least you will get little edge. Early adopters gone. We are in early majority. Don't be on the other side of the well curve, right? Because by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Do you agree? By failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. But even before preparation, there is a purpose stage. And preparation, you will need help, you will need support, you will need ideas, you will need strategies, you will need to work with someone who is minimum 10x times ahead of you. If you get someone who is 100x ahead of you, just simply grab the opportunity. Don't even think, whatever it takes. If you really mean to build serious business, type in the chat box, serious business. Are you who are still on the journey of serious business? Who still want to build a serious business? Because I give you a lot of clarity. I give you all the I give you the true path. I give you the true picture, what's going to happen, right? I'm not giving you shiny, rosy picture. Okay. So how many of you? Great. Deep Bhatia is on serious business on this journey. Shiba is on serious business journey, and Karuna is also on serious business. Okay. Yes, I'll open up. So it's time to turn your profession, your passion into your full-time profession. Turn your courses into online courses, which is a one-to-many model. And this is the only model which is a highly lucrative and profit-making business model. And I'm not just making a statement. Yesterday, we have shown you. Today in Market Potential also, we have shown you. It's a low CapEx and low OpEx business model, right? So welcome to the golden age business model of ipreneurship, where I stands for I, as in UI, as an insightful, independent, innovative, internet lifestyle entrepreneur. Everything begins with I. I, insightful, innovative, insightful, internet entrepreneur. Right? So if you believe you are an iPreneur, type in the chat box, I am iPreneur, and I want all of you to hit that record button on your mobile, make a video, and send it to me saying, I am Deep Bhatia, I am a professional photographer turned iPreneur. Whatever you are doing, just say transformed into an iPreneur. It will take less than 10 seconds. It will help you overcome your fear of recording. I want all of you to pick up your phone right now. If you're attending the session from Zoom, or on laptop and your phone is free, simply take your phone, put it in selfie mode, press the record button and say your name, what is your current profession, and just use the word turned iPreneur, insightful entrepreneur. I'm not asking you to call yourself information entrepreneur. Please don't call yourself information infopreneur, because if you are sharing, if you are converting your information to this business, it is not for you. Only it is for people who have insights, deep insights and wisdom, because it will help you create a sustainable business, because experience is valuable over knowledge. That also we have seen yesterday. Make sense? If you are able to do it now, great, and send it in the WhatsApp group. If you are not able to do it now, do it after the session, right? So I hope you do see an opportunity being a e-teacher. You do see opportunity in converting your knowledge, insights, deep insights and wisdom into a knowledge business model. Tomorrow we will be looking at the success blueprint in the internet age, which is I'm just going to, let me share the screen. I just want to give you a glimpse. So we will be looking at the success blueprint in the internet age, which is the 8 pieces of the digital puzzle and 5 pillars that really matter for your growth, and the various aspects of digital marketing and stuff like that, right? So it's very important to make this digital puzzle working for you. Very, very important. And knowing what digital systems and tools that are needed, and what you must know, language of the digital world, as much as is relevant for you. If you are a content creator, just do that. Everything else you should outsource. But I empower you to outsource only what you should not do. What you can do with whatever skills you have. If I said yesterday also, if you know how to use WhatsApp, if you know how to order on Amazon, on Swiggy, if you know how to use Facebook for sharing posts, if you know how to use LinkedIn for sharing your post or whatever, you will be able to write your own emails and newsletters, which is a recurring cost. So you can save that cost. You don't have to pay someone for that. Only for, even Facebook ads you can do on your own. But if you want volume, if you want thousands of people coming into your world, then it requires a dedicated 2 to 4 hours of time. And it doesn't make sense, because you only have limited time in the world. Even Bill Gates cannot buy more than 24 hours for himself. He's buying others' time, have thousands of employees. So with his money, he's bought your time, the time of the employees who are working. So people are trading their time for money, or time and skills for money, right? Or you are trading your money for money, right? You're trading, so that whatever you are trading, okay, to generate income. In the beginning of your career, you trade your time. When you acquire your skills, that's how you go into senior level positions and you're paid more. Because दुनिया में माइंड का पैसा देते हैं लोग, हार्डवर्क करने का पैसा नहीं है. अगर if there is a हार्डवर्क करने के लिए पैसा है, तो मजदूर should be paid more, a house help should be paid more, the driver should be paid more, the retail staff should be paid more, because there's a lot of physical work that is involved, right? But people pay you for your mind, not for your physical effort, right? So we also use our money to grow our money, right? Investing in real estate, investing in gold, investing in stock market, mutual funds. That's how people grow their money, or becoming an investor in somebody else's business, because you see gains, right? So these are some of the various aspects of monetization strategy, building your influence, right? So now that lead magnet, when you are creating, it is building your influence, right? So if you are doing promotional videos and building your influence and lead generation, I'm combining them together. So what happens is, when you are creating your videos, the purpose of that videos is to generate leads. So your course videos are different, course contents are different, your promotional content is different. But you cannot simply come and say that I am a photographer and I'm going to teach you advanced photography, and the cost of my program is so and so, and we will be covering this. If you make a video like this, nobody's watching. But if you share the nuances of photography, you share some of the pictures that you have taken, which is building your influence in a strategic manner, okay, subtly, okay. so that people give you attention, which is visibility. Then you are establishing your credibility with your work, with your past experience, with your success stories, with what you do and what you're sharing, insights and deep insight. At 5-minute talk, 8-minute talk, you're not supposed to give your entire content at that stage, right? You're building your influence, right? Because you want to generate leads. But if you simply make a video and post it there and you are not funneling the interest into your world, it is called a lead leak. Your money leak as well as lead leak. So it is very important to make sure that while you are building your influence, the goal of that building your influence is channeling people into your world. For that, you need to have a strategy to get them into your digital systems and tools which make lot of things happen in automation. You are not manually storing all the number in your mobile or in your Excel sheet, or not manually sending email to one person at a time. All that era is over. Okay, and earlier the CRM systems and all were very expensive. Right now we have many low cost tools. As I said, they become your employees, and tomorrow we will look at what are the must have digital systems and tools. Right. So with that, I close today's session and I'm opening it up for Q&A. So just share with me, how was the session for you today? I would love to know what you learned, and and then I'll also address your Q&A. So go ahead. Simply unmute yourself. I think Shubhro had some questions, right? You had written, yeah, quite a few queries, keeping them till the end. Yes, please. Shubhro, are you there? Yeah, please unmute yourself and speak.
Yes, hello once again.
Yeah. So can I make an ask to you? You can just say, I'm Shubhro, I am so and so turned iPreneur. If you believe you are an iPreneur, you want to be an iPreneur, insightful entrepreneur.
Yes, I am an excited entrepreneur and really excited to be here. And if I directly may go to the queries. So the point is, as you said very correctly, I did identify that from one stage, if you want to go to the other, you need to imbibe a lot of skill sets. Right. So yeah, problem identification, I could understand that in the digital space, I had very limited knowledge. So for the last 1 month, I've been building it up, going through very many courses and very many know-hows. And that is the reason, very, very pertinent reason why I'm here with you. Now the point is that, I know what a podcast is. I know probably how YouTube is working, how probably I can create some influence over Quora, or how can Facebook and the various setting patterns be utilized for the best benefit. Now the main thing is, as long as I know about and sure about my content, which is going to get encapsulated as knowledge and get passed on to these people, I'm confident about that. But I really want to know that what are the influence creating strategies? Which are the platforms where one need to gravitate? What does that person specifically need to do? And say, for example, I was very impressed. I wrote you an email. I recollect. I wrote you an email for the topic best left aside. But just before the course started, I received a call, which was an automated call. I was impressed that you are using such mechanized tools where you do not need to devote your time. I need to learn those. Because as you said very correctly, I can only work for 13 to 14 hours a day. And I'm very, very, very conscious about the time that I'm spending. So it is not about the 200 rupees that I'm spending for the course. It is about the 1.5 hours into 3 days that I'm spending, which is actually an investment. So yes. I'm literally looking forward that, probably how can we hone this digital know-hows? Which are the systems to be used? Probably I can search on YouTube and do a Google. That's a different story. To hear it from you and learn from you would be a privilege.
What's your question? So your audio was breaking, so I don't know what your question is here. Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
We lost you, Shubhro.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Okay, but I couldn't. Yeah. So I got what you were saying, right? So I will, but I think you're asking how exactly to build the influence and how to do that, right? So when you are simply doing podcasts, when you're simply posting pictures on Instagram, this is beginning level stuff. Even I have done that. Okay. So what happens is you have to have a strategy behind that. And that strategy comes only when your purpose is clear. Whatever pieces I have spoken to you today, though I have tried today, between yesterday and today, though I am presenting them independently, they are so closely interconnected, there is no demarcation separately, because how to explain at this stage, right? So your, the clarity, when you know what is your purpose, then you will know what is the problem to solve. When you know what is the problem you're solving, you will know how your clients are benefiting. And then when you know that you want to really give transformation, you will have to have a process, a system, how McDonald's, Starbucks, all these bigger brands operate, right? So that is all, that those are a lot of hacks and strategies to make a system out of your solution, right? And then when you are doing that, once you know what is the outcome you are going to give, you prepare your content bank for the outcomes. 10 outcome if you have written, for each outcome you are going to prepare a high converting content bank. So for example, if you're saying boost the confidence of a child is the outcome, so you'll go to Google and type boosting the confidence of child. You will see a lot of questions, related questions that will pop up, because that is what people are asking. So you can make for that outcome, boost the confidence of child. You ask the what, why, and how questions. Why does a child lose their confidence? Okay, at what age the child lose their confidence? Right, I mean, it becomes your content. Okay, then what things you should not do that is making your child lose confidence, right? And why it is important that the confidence of a child is boosted. So something, what, why, how question, you actually make such 10 questions for only one outcome. And for each question, you will have your knowledge bites, I call them KBC. And all of this I cover in very detail when you move ahead with me in the journey. At this stage, I have to teach you a sleeping line, standing line, and ABCD, but I'm also giving you calculus and integration and higher level trigonometry concepts in simplified. Though you have not understood, though you would feel that अभी calculus सिखा दिया क्या पता ही नहीं लगा, लेकिन मेरे को मालूम है मैंने बताया, right? Because I've simplified everything so much at this stage. So now when you gains are very important, because people will take out money for the outcome they are getting, and you build your influence based on the gain. And how you build it, for each gain, you will come up with 10 questions, what, why, how question that people are asking. For each question, you will write down 3 KBCs, okay, knowledge bites, so that your content is structured, and you will prepare a social media calendar that day 1 YouTube, and then day 2 Facebook, day 3 LinkedIn, day 4 Quora, whatever the platforms where your target. So where should you be present? Not everywhere. Where your target audience is present. It's not where you like to be present. It's where your target audience is present, because they should see your content. The purpose of building influence via a specific strategy, a social media strategy, only then you will get the attention of your target audience, right? So those are all very advanced level, deep stuff, and that happens only in your journey ahead with me. At this stage, I've still given you many things, but we can't go beyond more at this point, because it requires more digging deep, going more deep onto the subject. Okay, because I can't teach. What do you say? Right now, your PhD level concept I cannot teach to people who are in first grade. Don't know where to start. Right, because I have very mixed target audience here. Some are novice, first timers, absolutely no idea about this world. Are you a first timer or a beginner here? Type in the chat box beginner. There are people like Shubro who have done something, experimented with something. So you have some mixed knowledge, little scattered knowledge, which is like you are a pro. You have some knowledge, but it's not every pieces are not being put at the right place, so the puzzle looks incomplete. And then we also have some stars. I don't know if anybody's a star here. I haven't asked this batch yet. That you have been a teacher, trainer, coach, consultant for many years, 20, 25, 30 years. All you have a huge list. You have a database of 5,000, 10,000 people. All you lack is digital systems, right? So you know how to deliver your stuff. You only want digital systems and tools. A beginner will want to know, there's a journey, right? So many things you need to learn. A pro will have some knowledge, but I'm filling in your gaps that you have in your knowledge right now, right? And a pro, they are into teaching profession, no, teacher, trainer, coach, consultant. They don't know what are the digital systems and tools that will help them scale their offline offering, right? So let me see. Audio is not clear, is it? Karuna is a beginner. Nilesh is a newcomer. Vanmala has teaching experience of 20 years. So see, the teaching experience, but do you have a list? Your database of people who have attended your programs is your asset. And it is called list in the digital terminology, the language of the digital world. Your list is your asset. And list is the email and contact number of people who you have either served or who are interested in your offerings. Actually, this whole game is about building your list. Okay, we will cover this tomorrow, right? So that's all. Shubhra, did I answer your question?
Yes, Vandana, I must
yes
clarify.
But yes, Deep, as you said.
No, I must clarify that since yesterday and today, I had wonderful takeaways.
I lost you again.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Thank you so much.
Okay, I really had wonderful takeaways because, as you said very correctly,
yes,
I have pieces of information like a jigsaw puzzle, and you are probably sieving it and very logically connecting it, which is there. So I am not a pro. I am not somebody who have read something. I am literally trying to learn that pattern, take that pattern from it.
One second. Is my connection a problem or is your connection not there? Give me a moment, okay? So I was not sure if my connection is a problem because your audio is breaking. So is anyone else not able to hear me? Is anyone else not able to hear me? Because I'm not able to hear Shubhro, so I don't know if my network is a problem or the problem is Shubhro's side.
Yeah, it may be on. I can hear you clearly, but it may be a network issue on my side. I guess so.
All right. Okay. So can you repeat what you said because your last sentence was clear?
Oh, okay. Now, all that I wanted to say is that since yesterday and today's session, there are wonderful takeaways. And as you said very correctly, I'm not a pro or I'm not somebody, but I'm just aware that I need to learn things. So there are very many jigsaw puzzle pieces that I've acquired over certain modules. You are actually logically linking all of them. You are so yes. That's my biggest takeaway. And my my objective is to learn that how the things can be logically set and taken into the digital space where I'm not at all very clued.
Right. So I actually can help you with all those things provided you move to the next stage with me, and I'll definitely be making an offer tomorrow on how you can work with me closely. Tomorrow I'll share that. So the input that I want to give you is that this is an entrepreneurial skill, right? What you must do and what you can outsource. Decide, because very important to decide that how much you must do and how much you should outsource, because and that's what I'm going to empower you throughout your journey with me later as well, because there are certain things, technical things which you should, unless you enjoy learning, that's a separate story. But it is a matter of cost saving, then that's a separate story, right? So but like writing your own newsletters, right? Because then you have to keep doing, it becomes a recurring cost. So how to keep your operational expenses low and just make that capital investment once. Okay, capex. Okay, so the lot of things are there to be covered. Okay, a lot of people say, and my earlier I used to do 5-day WhatsApp classes. Now this year my first 3-day batch. I have moved from 5 days to 3 days. Okay, and you feel that I've already shared so much, but as much as I know that I have not been able to even give you 0.1% of what I know. Right? So many things are here, right? Thank you so much for sharing, Shubhro. Anyone else has any questions, anything you want to ask? So tomorrow's agenda, 8 pieces of the digital world, which will empower you to learn the language of the digital world, and the 5 pillars of that really matters, what digital marketing is all about. These are all tools that you see, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, this tool, that tool, okay? But what exactly we are trying to achieve using these tools, right? What the strategy behind having so many 5, 6, 7 tools, from you're promoting your Facebook post or that campaign that I'm doing, to how they connect with the payment gateway, to how a learning management system happens, everything includes there tomorrow. And then we will look at how you can work with me, your journey ahead. I'm not going to disappoint anyone who is thinking that I'm not going to make any offer. This is a knowledge business model, so there has to be an offer, right? So what I am doing, exactly that you will have to follow, because it works, right? Okay, anyone has any questions, simply unmute yourself and you can speak. Otherwise, I will see you tomorrow. So anyone else who would like to share anything? How was the session for you? I would like to know that. What did you learn? Who's coming on board? So the more you learn. Sheba, you have unmuted yourself, but I can't hear you.
Yeah. As I said, no, I'm like a little reluctant, and there's a lot that I've learned today. Undoubtedly, as Shubhrata say that, I also had a lot of puzzle which are just getting connected, and I can see some roadmap which can, take me to my destination. Before that, everything was too scattered. So thanks for clarifying so many things. Am I audible?
Okay, thank you, Shiba. I am not sure if it says your bandwidth is low. So Shiba, I think change gears to acquire high income skills. Perfect, Karuna. Thank you so much. So I think we will close today's session, and you can share your learnings and takeaways in the WhatsApp group. Okay, and your today's assignment is, what should be your today's assignment? What assignment should I give you today? I want you to answer these 3 questions. Select one course now based on today's input, right? And yesterday's input. For that course, I want you to identify what is the problem you are solving in the market. Okay? And how will your customers gain with your solution? That's all. I don't want to know what your solution is. Just want to know what is the problem you are solving and how will your customers benefit. That's all. That you put it in place, and I'm telling you, it is going to help so much, because this is what this is how when people prepare their business plans, because you must know whose problem you are solving in the market. So who is the target audience for that product, right? Define that. Who is the target audience? Your course name. Who is the target audience, and what is the problem you are solving for them, and how will they benefit? I'm going to write this in the WhatsApp group, so you can just use that template and fill it up. Okay? And I will see you tomorrow sharp at 7 p.m. Bye for now. Take care.
Thank you so much. While I was speaking, I got an incoming.
My bandwidth is.
Thank you.
Shiba, your audio is not clear, Shiba.
No, I was just, when I started talking, one call came in between, so you might have lost me during that time, because I tried to disconnect it and it wasn't getting disconnected.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Good night.
Now I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay.
You want to share something? You want to share something?
No, I just wanted to say that, I've learned a lot today
Okay.
and I've really
All
solved
right.
my puzzles. Yeah, bye-bye. Good night.
All right. See you guys tomorrow. Good night. Bye.